rotor removal, 2013 Kia Optima. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, next thing, you're gonna need one of these. The purpose of this is take these Phillips screws off, because you're not going to get them off with a regular screwdriver because of the heat that is created by the driving and stopping. Heats up the rotor, heats up this here screw, and it gets stuck in the hole. Try to use a regular screwdriver, and you're going to ruin the notches in there, and you're going to end up having to beat it out. So this is what you do: take one of these, and what it does is forces it to turn, and then you just twist it out. This is one of the more simpler jobs. I mean, it's pretty much like a brake job because of taking off the brake caliper. Bam. Take them out. Simple. And then you need a 17 millimeter. I use a 17 millimeter on the gun. But before you do that, to give you a little extra pull room, is you want to take this bracket off right here to the caliper brake line that's mounted to the strut, and that's a 12. Well, it was a 12 on the other side. Yeah, it's the way I have this wheel positioned here. But anyway, take this here 17. It's 2 bolts right in the back here. I'm gonna show you in a second. There's 2 bolts right here in the back. See these bolts here? There's one right here, and the other one is right here. It's to this bracket that mounts the caliper to the rotor and hub. So once we take that out, then this comes off, then this here comes off, and then we can get the rotor off because we already took these screws out. And it's pretty that simple. And then here you want to take this off because this is the bracket holding on the line, give you a little more room to move that caliper around. So let me go get another give me a little extension here.
everybody got to get up and like
Exactly. I'll be up, I'll be up and gone. Oh, that's right. You got a card? You got a card? Hey.
That's a drug, but I'm drug.
This my neighbor. Don't trust her because she fucking with Christmas. She knows the spells and people.
I ain't worried about no spell. I'm indigenous American, man. You can't put no spell on me. Alright, so still got a little swivel here. Fit on there a little better. Hopefully. Still. It's because of this sway bar link here. Can't get it all. So we're gonna take this out. So let me see if I can work it. Oh, that's why I did that. Because I can't work it. So 12mm combination wrench. Get to this bolt, so the brake line is at the top, so the way we get that on, because these bolts is pretty tight, and try to break them loose by hand sometimes it's a little difficult. So to make it easier, take that off. Just set that right there. Pull this rotor right off. This is another rotor customer provided. Looks like they got it from Napa Power Works. And then you see these holes here. I want to match it up. Right back in there. So all these repairs is being recorded on the spot. They're in a real life repair. Nothing staged here. After you do that, take your caliper, slide it back on. You got your nuts here with your washer, and your nut here with your washer. You can always put it in the bottom one because it's easier. Start it on the bottom one first, and then the top one. Line that bolt hole up, stick it right in there. Bam. I'll take my gun again, switch it to the other way. Flip it on. Difficult because I'm not using an extension. Like I said, that brake line gets in the way there. It's hard to get to. So take our bolt here that fell. It's a 12 millimeter and goes right in this brake line bracket that bolts right onto the strap. You know the rules: lefty loosey, righty tighty, or loosen goes up, tighten goes down. Bam. That's it. Simple job. Throw this tire back on.